Here we have a 2019 BMW 340i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the Alpine white exterior paintwork. You'll also find we do have the LED daytime running headlights, got the gloss black front kinder grills, front splitter as well. This vehicle does have the M Performance kit, so as you come around to the passenger side you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. You'll also find the silver wheels, colour coded door handles and door mirrors. We do have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We also have the gloss black rear spoiler on the tailgate, dual exit exhaust at the back, and then if you press this button just here on the key, you'll find the boot will pop open just like so. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space whatever you may need, extra storage pockets as well on either side. Handle just underneath here so we can pull the boot back down to make sure that is closed properly. And back around to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, you'll find we have the black leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We do have the vents down there in the centre for the rear passengers. Electric windows on the doors. Same leather seats for the front. Both front seats are being heated. There's a quick look at both of them. You'll also find again the electric windows on the doors with the child lock for the rear, electric mirrors as well, automatic lights just down here, automatic wipers on that stalk, multifunctional steering wheel. So we're going to take a seat inside and you'll find the dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. We do have the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left, along with the paddle shifters as well either side of the steering wheel, phone connectivity volume buttons on the right. Dashboard is free from any warning lights other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. You then find the main infotainment screen. If any of these screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. You see we do have the sat nav. Other features are down here along with the dial to control the screen. So if you click onto media, you'll find the radio stations over to the left, and you can see we have the other options just here that you can go through. You'll also find the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Moving further down you'll then find the climate control, got the dual zone climate control for the front, heated seats either side, and also ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as it should do. We have then the cup holders underneath there with the 12-volt connectivity, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. You can press this button down here and it'll pop up on the dashboard which drive mode you select. Into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera and also parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, you'll then find the manual handbrake, and finally the armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and is available for next to delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 340i. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, not to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, has the speedometer and the cruise control buttons here on the left, along with the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Now we are just approaching the junction just here, so we're going to slow down, put our right indicator on, we're going to make sure it's safe to turn right, there's no cars coming, so pulling out, turning right, continuing on our way now, getting up to speed nice and smoothly with no issues. Automatic gearbox, but we do have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if we want to set the car into manual mode. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice that we're free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do also have plenty of features throughout the vehicle. We've got the leather seats, for example, which are really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats being heated, so also perfect for them cold winter mornings. You then find the main infotainment screen just here. It's currently showing the sat nav, but also has plenty more features on there you will see on the photos. For example, the DAB radio and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Now I'm going to take another right hand turn, so I'm going to put up my right indicator on, start to slow down, and then make sure there's no cars coming. There's a couple of cars just here, so we're going to wait for them to go past. Wait for this last one to go, and then turning right onto Groby Road, and again start to accelerate, getting up to speed, going through the gears with no issues. You'll also find we do have the different drive modes. You've got the buttons just down here, so you can switch through the drive modes nice and easily while you're driving. Now we are approaching the dealership now. We're coming up to the bend, so we're going to take it nice and steady, start to slow down as we've gone around the bend, put our left indicator on, and turning left onto the dealership. I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. On onto the brakes, into reverse. Got the reverse camera appear on the screen, back into drive again with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with one of some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.